Hey guys, today we are in Lofoten Islands in Norway. Where are we?
In Fløya city.
I guess you can call it. And we're gonna be climbing.
Fløya!
So the very top, we think you need like special equipment, which we don't have. So we're just gonna go as far as possible without it. And just apparently the view over the harbor and the city is really cool. So that's what we're gonna be trying to see.
Yep.
So we've done halfway of the lovely stairs they have here, made out of rock and whatever. The steps are quite high and we're not very well trained, so we're having like the third break already. But yeah, the first good bit, as I can see here in the map as well, it's actually from nice steps. So on the right side, I would imagine getting down is gonna be fairly easy.
These are the never-ending stairs. I think we are already on our 8th break or something like that. So the first part of the path was very demanding with the stairs, and further up there are more stairs, then there are some wooden paths. Those aren't that difficult, but after a while we can see new stairs. Or you can choose to climb basically rocks. They are very steep but doable for someone like us. I don't think this is doable with dogs though, or little kids. If you can carry them, that's fine. If not, then don't choose this one, but the views are great. As soon as you are done with the stairs, you have to choose. You are either climbing to SUBSCRIIIBE, which is like a peak, but you need equipment to actually climb it. It's not possible to do it without any climbing equipment. So we chose to climb Floya, and on our way to Floya we are climbing to Djevelporten. I would say it's like Devil's Portal or something. So we are on our way there. Right now the path is pretty nice, like some rocks. If it's raining then it's likely muddy, so please do choose a sunny day, preferably without much clouds, because it can get cloudy up here, and today it's a bit hazy, but overall a pretty nice day to climb.
So we've made it to the top of the Floya. I think it's very similar height of the last one we did, which I can't remember what was it called. Segla, yeah. So this one's around, well, my phone says, the hiking app says 630 meters above sea level, which honestly probably is something around that. Need to look in the books to be 100% sure, but the view is absolutely stunning. You can see a full 360 around. That's when you know when you've reached the highest, like the tip of the top, tippy top as they say, and it's just great. The stairs was just pain. It was really hard. So if you come here, if you think, oh nice, they've made a path with steps and stairs, holy moly, that was like the most difficult bit, but the way down should be very easy, so very happy. Ma&Ri has this unstoppable need for climbing up the mountains when there's no path and no one's ever stepped there, and then she's trying to figure out how she's gonna get down, because she there's something about mountains that just gets her juices pumping. And I'm the one that needs to worry and see where the hell is she. Somewhere. Show me what you got. Show me what you got.
Pārējās apēd, diemžēl.
Oh,
Tad vienīgā
nice.
prašiet, vai šīs gribi?
Nah.
And we have made it to the Djevelporten, safe and sound. A bit adventurous, but that's always good.
And now they are attempting to climb this. Holy moly. Like, it's like, you're one moment you're up here, the second one you're like, bye.
So we made it down from Djevelporten in about 36 minutes, and the climb up was 1 hour and 38 minutes. So in total it's like 2 hours and a bit of climbing.